The proof may be in a Mexico City laboratory. Monster Quest has summoned a team of forensic scientists to test the bizarre baby humanoid specimen that was trapped and killed in 2007.
Let's not forget we are forensic scientists and we want to get to the truth of this historic occurrence.
Dr. Angel Gutierrez and his colleagues initially believed this tiny specimen was in fact a small species of monkey that had been skinned.
It appeared to have no covering tissue, that the muscle was exposed. That caught our interest, and first, our studies seem to show that this has been tampered with, that it was a little monkey that had been skinned after its death.
Further investigation revealed that the creature did have skin, but of a very unusual kind.
It does have it in a very rudimentary and not very common form, but it does have covering tissue. Therefore, we can draw the conclusion that this being has not been tampered with.
The team's review of the specimen has revealed that it has semi-human characteristics.
When you see the ankle, when you see the feet of the creature, they're very human. When you see the hands of the creature, they're very human.
The creature's feet are much shorter than those of small primates, like monkeys. The scientists decide that, like humans, the creature may have stood on two legs.
We came to the conclusion that it had the ability to stand up straight because it has a double arch. This is one arch, and this is another. These arches allows us to determine that this being had the capacity to stand on 2 feet.
The shape of the eye sockets provides clues about the creature's visual capabilities.
Its eye sockets are too big, which makes us believe that it had a very good and complex sense of vision.
Intrigued by this strange beast, the team turns to state-of-the-art medical imaging.
We have a specimen and we do not know what it is.
By using MRI scans of the creature, they're able to construct a 3D computer model of the body. This allows for further insight into the creature's anatomy.
Our attention is drawn to the rear cavity, which is where the brain structures are. That's where you find the organs that take charge of equilibrium, fast movements, coordination, and fine movements. Usually, you find a ratio of between 4 and 1. In a human, we will find a certain ratio between the rear cavity and the brain. This specimen has a rear cavity which is bigger.
The creature seems to be highly irregular. The hairless skin, the shape of the brain, the large eye sockets, the human-like feet, and the makeup of the inner ear all point to something unknown to modern science. The team must rely on DNA tests to cast light on the mysterious beast's origins.
Here, what's interesting is that this is historical and valuable, because it's put science to the test.